Okay, 7th graders. The journal pages will be different depending on your class. Make sure you continue from the very last page we started. This journal happens to be page 42. What is next? Remember, whichever page you begin on, your notes always go on the left side. You should be writing on an even number page. This journal happens to be starting the notes on page 42. We will be talking about sales tax, tips, and discounts. Your foldable should already be cut out. If it isn't, go ahead and pause the video. In the front of the foldable, you should write discount, sales tax, and tips on each one of the tabs. We will begin with the discount. Flip it open. On the top of the tab, you will be writing amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. In this case, you find an item discounted at 40% off. Below, you write step 1, convert 40% into a decimal. 40% equals 0.40. Second, you multiply the original price times the 0.40. And third, you subtract the discount from the original price. The next tab we have is sales tax. You flip open the tab and you will write, it is an additional amount of money charged on items that people buy. Below, first you have to express rate as a decimal. In this case, 7% is our rate. So 7% is 0.07 in decimal. Second, you multiply the percent by the total. Remember, we turned it into a decimal, so we're going to be multiplying the decimal by the total. And last, third, we add the sales tax to the regular price. The last tab today is tips. On the flap, you will write the percent of your total bill you leave as a service fee. In this case, you decide to leave a 15% tip. Below, you will write the following. First, you convert the 15% into decimal form. 15% equals 0.15. Second, you multiply 0.15 to your total bill. And third, you add the results to the bill. This is how your foldable should look. Remember again, always on an even number and your notes are on your left. See you guys tomorrow.